John Simeone here, back once again to show you exactly why you probably don't need a web developer to build your business website for you. So we have our WordPress website and we have these links up here in the navigation. But what if we want to remove some of these links or add some of these links? Currently, by default, all new pages are added automatically to this navigation menu. But what if we want to manually control that? Well, all we have to do is come down to Editor, and then, funnily enough, head to Navigation. And then from here, click these three dots and click Edit. Now on this page, we're going to be able to edit it just like we would any other page. So we can select the navigation menu and we can click Edit. And we're going to get this warning here saying that if we start making changes, new pages aren't going to automatically get added. And we're just going to say, yeah, whatever. We don't care that much. It's not a big deal for us. So maybe we want to remove home. So we click on that, click these three dots, hit delete. And now we just have sample page up here. Save that. And we're going to see those changes reflected when we refresh our page. Home will no longer be there. And we don't really need home there. I mean, it's fine if you do want home, but realistically, we don't need it because clicking our logo or our site name is going to take us to the home page anyway. Maybe we want to add something. So click the plus. Maybe we want to add a block. Let's see what else we can add. So we could add a button. So the button might go to home. And then we can set a link to any page we want. This doesn't even have to be a page within your website. Maybe you have an external login portal and you want to just have a login button and you want to take them there, but you have the power to control whatever you want there. So if we refresh that, we'll see a button up there now. So that's very nice indeed and very simple to do. If you have a WordPress website and you need some help or you just want some advice, at this moment in time, you can chat to me completely free. Just head to johnsimeone.com and from there you can join my Discord server. And that is right now it is completely free to join. So you can chat directly with me on Discord and I can help you as best I can with your WordPress website for free right now. But it won't be free forever. So make sure you check that out.